Now we will see the character sketch from the characters of the story. The Greek interpreter. Mr. Sherlock Holmes. Mr. Sherlock Holmes. Mr. Sherlock Holmes is an adventurous detective and a highly intelligent and a famous detective. Mr. Sherlock and Mr. Watson finds out the mystery behind the Greek interpreter. He is always ready to help people and seek justice to them. He likes to solve mysterious and criminal cases. Then Dr. Watson. Dr. Watson is Sherlock's business associate and a friend who helps him to solve the many mysterious cases. He is an intelligent person who has a good sense of humor and finds all the clues and solves the case with Sherlock. Then Mr. Mycroft Holmes. Mr. Mycroft Holmes is the elder brother of Mr. Sherlock Holmes. Mycroft is introduced first time in the stories of Sherlock Holmes. He also have a detective quality in him and like to solve criminal cases. He was the first person to hear the trouble of Mr. Greek interpreter and then he tells everything to Mr. Sherlock Holmes and Mr. Watson. Then Mr. Mellus. Mr. Mellus is short and a Greek interpreter. He knows Greek knowledge. He knows Greek language and does the work of translating. He is a courageous person because of warning of killing anybody can keep quiet in such circumstances. Means has he had got the warning from the villain that if you inform to anybody about the short man which has been kept like a prisoner, then they will kill the Mr. Mellus. Then also he decided to save Mr. Paul Cratides and told everything to police. But police didn't pay any attention, so he told everything to Mr. Mycroft Holmes. Mr. Harold Latimer. Mr. Harold Latimer betrayed Sophie Cratides for her wealth. He wants the wealth of Sophie, so he makes fool to her. He kidnaps Paul Cratides, brother of Sophie, for signature on the property papers. He is cruel, foolish, selfish, and mad person who can do anything to snatch the wealth of others. He does this everything with his partner Mr. Wilson Kemp. Mr. Harold Latimer and Mr. Wilson Kemp are both murdered by Sophie Cratides as she takes revenge of her brother's death and torture. Then Wilson Kemp is a partner in a crime with Mr. Harold Latimer. In their own crime, Mr. Wilson Kemp is involved. In last, Sophie murders both the criminals as a revenge of his brother's death. Then Miss Sophie Cratides. Miss Sophie Cratides is the sister of Paul Cratides. She fallen in love with Englishman Mr. Harold Latimer, but she was not knowing how cunning Latimer was. In the end, Sophie comes to know how the two criminals betrays them for property purpose. In the last, the brother dies, so for revenge, she murders both the criminals and shows it as they died by fighting with each other. So here we have completed the story, The Greek Interpreter, and the character sketch of all the characters.